In it goes. And we just give that a little shufty through. That is fantastic. That is pesto pasta made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef Farm Rick. Today we're doing pesto. We're doing pesto without pine nuts. Pine nuts cost an absolute fortune, but you can make a fantastic pesto at home without pine nuts. And I'm using ground almonds. That is my preferred way to make pesto. I make it all the time like that. Now you could use cashews. You could use the normal cashews, soak them so they go soft, and then blend them. We're going the other way. I've got ground almonds because I use it for quite a lot of recipes. So we are just going to put the ground almonds in. Okay, it's straightforward. It really is straightforward. We have some basil leaves. I've got a couple of cups of basil leaves there. And we're just going to chuck that in there. Now, making pesto like this at home saves a fortune. And this will also determine whether you're a shaker or not. And what I mean by that, if you get it stuck on there, do you shake the mixer? I'm a shaker. I pick it up and give it a good shaking. Okay, let's just put that to one side. A little bit of salt. Salt to taste, whether you use sea salt or anything like that, it's entirely up to you. Black pepper. Little bit of black pepper in there. We want that little bit of a kick to our pesto. And I've also got some lemon juice, the juice of half a lemon. Now I'm putting this in now because I actually want it to start to blend the basil leaves. You can do it any which way around you want, you know. Parmesan, no sorry, ground almonds. Parmesan. Ground almonds. Parmesan cheese and our minced garlic. Now I'm very lazy, you know, I haven't even set the blender off yet and I know it's going to stick. This is olive oil. So let's get that on there and let's start blending. And then we'll drizzle some more olive oil in. Come on, how easy is that? So what we need to do now, I mean, look at that. That is vibrant green. It's got a little bit of a citrusy flavour from the lemon, which freshens it up completely. Taste test. That is delicious. Pesto made. How quick was that? Do you have to go buy any? No. Do you have to go get pine nuts? No. So, oops, that is our pesto made. Right there. That was so easy, so quick. Now we're going to make pesto pasta. And then we'll stick the rest in a jar. Easy as that. Okay, we've got quite a lot of pesto there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick some in a jar to show you how to store it. So, now if you're going to use a pesto very quickly, there is no need to jar it up. However, pesto starts to go black very quickly, so what you've got to do is seal over the top with some oil, olive oil. We do not want the air getting to the pesto. Now, it does become a problem when you start using it because obviously you're going to start taking it out. But if you remember, you can always top it with a little bit more olive oil. The good thing about putting olive oil on top of your homemade pesto is when you use the pesto for anything, you've got good olive oil which is infused with the pesto flavour. So it works out as a win-win actually. You know, if you make pesto pasta, which we're going to do in a minute, we're going to take that out of there, we're going to bring some olive oil with it. It's perfect. And then all you do is you seal it, stick it in the fridge. Now this stuff does not last for months. It will start to change colour. It will start to go either a brownie or a black colour. So when you make your fresh pesto, you need to be making it and enjoying it with a vibrant freshness straight away, basically, you know. Make your pesto, have your pesto pasta or whatever you're going to make, and enjoy it. I've got quite a lot here because I've got 2 recipes, one today and another one, and there you go. That is our pesto sealed. Okay, let's make some pesto pasta. Okay, when you've got your pot to boiling, we're just going to go in there with some salt. Salt up to you, how much you use, but you know, pasta tastes of absolutely zero. Pasta of choice today is spaghetti. About that much. We're going to go in there with that. Now cook the pasta to the packet instructions. Give that a little twiddle around there. Now don't be tipping any oil in here, you know, that's all nonsense. People come along and they go, put the oil in. Oh, it's not going to stick the pasta. Oil and water do not mix. It make no difference. Honestly, don't do it. A little bit of salt in your water, that's all you need. Now what you want to be doing is taking out some pasta water. That's got the starches in from the pasta, which is going to help when we mix our pesto with our pasta. Okay, get a fork and you want to be testing your pasta. Here's the pasta, how you like it. That's good enough. Flame off. Now, you can go chuck all that away or you can take from that and put it in a bowl. Up to you. So my preferred way is to take straight out of there, let it drain a little bit, and from there to there. So you've got a little bit of pasta water going with it, but not a great deal. Nothing much to worry about. But you know, that's going to save us from putting too much water in. So there we have it, there's our pasta, and this is our pesto that we've just made. And because we've just made it, we can put in what we want, you know. And we know it's fresh. In it goes, and we just give that a little shufty through, coat up all our spaghetti. Just put in a little bit of that pasta water and you can go as much pesto as you want. Just give that a mix in. And you've got that lovely pesto pasta. How tremendous does that look? Okay, let's get some served up. Come on, how easy is that? Pesto pasta made. Now, you can actually throw in some Parmesan and stir it all around, or you can throw the Parmesan on when you serve it. It's up to you. So if we just put a little bit of Parmesan on there and we stir that in, it has some in already, but individual portions, when you serve it on your bowl, put the Parmesan on top. That is superb. So all we got to do now is serve it up. And there we have it, the perfect pesto pasta. Homemade. I've just drizzled on a few sun-dried tomatoes, but just look at that. That is fantastic. That is pesto pasta made. Let's give it a taste test. Oh, come on. In we go. Light, refreshing. Got that fantastic basil flavour in there, obviously, because it's pesto. It is delicious. That is one heck of a dish. That is so easy to make. That's basil pesto made with our homemade basil. So quick, so easy. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.